Welcome to Thompson Rivers University. Hi, I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Tim.
And we're really excited to show you around campus and share with you all that TRU has to offer.
You'll get an inside look to what it means to be a student at TRU. What an awesome experience that is.
You can learn, study, grow, eat, live, and relax here at Thompson Rivers University.
Thompson Rivers University is located in Kamloops in the interior of British Columbia on the traditional lands of the Secwepemc people.
It began in 1970 as Caribou College. As the institution grew and offered degree programs, it became the University College of the Caribou. It has since evolved to a full-on university as of 2005. Now, over 14,000 students study on campus.
And another 12,000 study by distance or online. TRU provides a diverse and dynamic environment in which you can grow and learn.
The campus is beautiful and easy to navigate and has superb academic opportunities.
And the small class sizes provide students with an intimate sense of community.
So what can you study here?
With 140 on-campus programs and about 60 open learning programs, you can choose how you want to learn and what works best for you.
From certificates and apprenticeships to bachelor's and master's degrees.
Now, the amazing thing about TRU is that it offers flexible learning options to suit your lifestyle. You can study on campus with in-person instruction, and TRU's intimate learning environment and hands-on approach allows for easily made connections.
But the greatest thing about class, your awesome faculty.
TRU attracts fantastic instructors from around the globe. Not only are they experts in their field, but they take the time to guide and mentor you to succeed.
In our small classes, your instructor gets to know your name.
And their doors are always open if you need help.
Or you can study online at your own pace through open learning.
Manage your busy school, work, and social commitments.
And get ahead in your studies while you work.
If you have a part-time job, travel frequently with the sports team, or are completing a co-op work term, your studies can go where you go. Find additional academic support in places like the Writing Center, the Economics Help Center, and the Math Help Center.
Take advantage of free tutoring to help achieve those stellar grades you're looking for.
Our 2 libraries are yours to discover, with books, articles, videos, and other resources for your classes.
We also have plenty of study spaces on campus, whether it's for a group study session or for yourself between classes. Looking for something bright and airy, fresh and breezy, or straight up cubicle style?
Or looking for an all-night study space, TRU got you covered.
TRU offers unique opportunities for experiential learning. These are chances to enhance and apply what you learn inside the classroom with meaningful student engagement outside the classroom.
So step your game up. You can't be slacking.
Cooperative education, or co-op as we call it, blends paid for credit, career-related work experience before graduation.
Now that's a win-win situation.
And with 200 study abroad choices in over 40 countries, there are so many options for learning and living in another culture.
Field schools are another great way to see the world, studying for just a few weeks in places such as Belize, Ecuador, and Eastern Slovakia.
And they're offered each year by select courses. And try research. From hibernating bats to sustainable urban design, the possibilities are endless when a topic sparks your curiosity. There are many ways to get involved in undergraduate research here at TRU, plus opportunities to work one-on-one with faculty researchers. Research is a fantastic way to ask questions, push boundaries, and develop strategies and solutions
that make a difference in the real world.
TRU's campus community is inclusive, diverse, vibrant, and multicultural, with over 85 countries represented in our student body.
We also have the largest Aboriginal student population amongst post-secondary colleges, institutes, and universities in British Columbia. TRU embraces and celebrates diversity at events like I-Days, Aboriginal Awareness Week, the Pride Parade, Chinese New Year, and Rang Day Basanti.
Because your well-being is key to achieving your goals, TRU offers various services to support your physical and mental health. The wellness team shares information on nutrition, sleep, sexual health, and more. Plus, they host much-loved activities to de-stress, like mindfulness meditations and Therapy Dog Thursdays.
TRU Recreation promotes fun, active health, and offers free yoga and fitness classes. And intramurals.
And you can get your sweat on at the world-class Tournament Capital Center located right beside campus. CFL teams train here, Olympians train here, and NBA athletes train here. TRU is home to the Wolfpack. We have 11 athletic teams, 8 of which compete at the top varsity level.
So get pumped, because team spirit is infectious.
Other supports to help you on your learning journey include a medical clinic, academic advising, counseling, career education, and student awards and financial support.
You'll find many of these services on Student Street in the old main building in the heart of campus. I guess what we're saying is, if you ever need assistance or have a question, just ask. TRU has close to 100 student clubs on campus. It is a great way to connect with people who have common interests.
Aboriginal Drum Circle, Eco, Chess, Longboarding, Enactus, the list goes on.
Thompson Rivers University Student Union not only advocates for students, but also hosts major events and activities such as the Back to School Barbecue, the Common Voices Lecture Series, and movie nights.
Catch a performance by TRU Actors Workshop Theatre right in the Black Box Theatre on campus. Or you can volunteer, host your own show at CFBX, our campus community radio station.
Let's face it, there's more to university than books and classes.
So get involved. It's the best way to experience TRU and meet new and interesting friends.
Grab a bite at one of our many hot spots, quality food options, and a place to hang out and connect with friends.
From your early morning coffee and croissant to your gourmet lunch to your post-seminar sweet treat, TRU's dining options can feed your needs.
And snack to avoid hunger.
Common Grounds is the only student-owned and operated coffee shop on campus. Located in TRU Independence Center's 2-story lounge, it's a great place to meet your friends for a study break or a sandwich.
They got good banana bread too. Heroes Pub is located on the 2nd floor of the campus activity center. It's also where you can satisfy your hankering for a killer poutine.
Scratch Cafe in the Culinary Arts Training Center is perhaps the best kept secret on campus.
Not anymore.
Here you'll find daily soups, a creative salad bar, and a changing menu of entrees, all made from scratch by our culinary arts students. You can grab a cup of coffee in nearly every building on campus, and we also have a full-service Starbucks and Tim Hortons. Thanks, Tim.
A prepaid dining card can come in handy. Plus, it's accepted in most places on campus.
There are also many other food options within walking distance of campus, including 3 major grocery stores and a variety of restaurants that offer all types of cuisine. Whether you live on campus or off campus, housing plays a big part in your university experience.
On-campus housing, we call it the Guild, has 300 private rooms, each with a kitchenette, in a quad with shared washroom, and is across the street from the TCC.
The TRU Residence and Conference Center, also known as the Res, is an 11-story building located on the north side of campus. It has 574 rooms with 2 or 4 bedroom suites and features some of the best views of the city.
And rooms are guaranteed to first-year students. Both residences have laundry access, free Wi-Fi, and host special resident events. They also have fabulous staff who want to support you in your home away from home.
There are convenient, safe, and affordable neighborhoods to live in within walking distance if you prefer to live off campus. Welcome to BC's friendliest city and Canada's tournament capital. It's not too big and not too small, with about 85,000 residents. Kamloops is a giant playground with over 2,000 hours of sunshine per year, 4 awesome seasons, and numerous active recreational activities. You can see and experience the desert, mountains, grasslands, river, valley, and beach all in one day.
250 biking routes, fabulous hiking within city limits, and trails just off campus.
Satisfy your taste buds. Grab a latte at one of our many rad coffee shops. Hit up a happening brunch locale or try one of our famous food trucks. We also have local wineries and breweries too.
Experience the arts with live music, our Western Canada Theatre, and our dope art galleries.
Free admission to the Kamloops Art Gallery on Thursdays. What are your interests? What do you like to do? What do you want to try out? Explore your neighborhood and community because Kamloops has what you're looking for. Being a TRU student means flexible learning that fits your life, no matter where you begin your educational journey. TRU's alumni are prepared for success. You'll be set to give back to your community with all that you've learned here. So there you have it, Thompson Rivers University.
Are you convinced yet?
check us out.
You think you can get to keep these sweatshirts?
I hope so.
Oh, really?